Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 264. If we start with this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 2. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 5 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 8, 9 here, so 7, 8. That means our 9 for that box has to be here. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 here and an 8 here, so this is our 7. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 2 covering here and a 2 covering here, so our 2 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. The 4 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this bottom row, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 8. So that means the only place the 5 can be in that row is here. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. That was this column. 1, 6, 1, 6. 3 goes here, and we get rid of that 3. And these pencils don't erase too well, but we'll see if we can at least smudge them up. Sorry for the shaking. All right. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 5, 8, and that makes this our 5, 7, 5. For this box now, we're only missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 1 and 3, and we've got something wrong because we've got 3 here and 3. Okay, that's not right. We're missing 1 and 8. Sorry, guys. I don't know where my brain is today. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 8. We've got 1 here and 8 here, so this is 2, 4, 2 and 8 here, so this is, wait, 2 and 8 here, so this is 1, 4, 2 and 4 here, so this is 1, 8. So if we look, the only place in that row the 2 can be is here. The only place the 4 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 1, 6, and that makes this our 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 8, 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. That 7 makes this our 8, 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 3, 7 here, so 1 and 7. And there we go for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.